Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Magic School AI for teachers. This powerful platform provides over 60 distinct tools designed to streamline your daily tasks. You can quickly generate lesson plans, create differentiated content, and develop engaging activities. It's all about saving you valuable time, potentially several hours each week, so you can focus more on your students and less on administrative burdens. Let's dive in. Let's explore some core features that can transform your planning. The Lesson Plan Generator can craft a comprehensive plan in just a few minutes, saving you significant preparation time. Need questions for a reading? The Question Generator offers multiple types, from multiple choice to open-ended. Plus, the Rubric Generator helps you quickly establish clear grading expectations, and the Text Rewriter easily adapts materials for different reading levels. One of Magic School AI's greatest strengths is its ability to support differentiation. You can effortlessly adjust content to suit various student reading levels, ensuring every learner is challenged appropriately. It also helps generate personalized feedback and progress reports, offering tailored insights. For special education students, creating modified assignments becomes much simpler, and you can even translate materials into more than 30 languages for your multilingual students. To truly maximize your use of Magic School AI, integrate these tools into your daily routine. Experiment with different prompts to achieve the most precise and helpful results. Consider collaborating with colleagues to share successful strategies and discover new applications. By consistently leveraging these features, you could save up to 5 hours each week on routine tasks, freeing you to dedicate more energy to impactful teaching moments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.